how you can fix Roblox getting stuck. Is your Roblox getting stuck when you try to open it up? And does it get stuck when you try to install it or when you try to update it? If yes, this video is for you. Before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First, what you'll have to do is just open up your settings, and after you open your settings, you'll have to search for apps. Now after you search for apps, you will see the option that says add or remove programs. Open it up and wait for it to load. Now in this section, you'll see all the installed apps on your PC. Now scroll down till you find Roblox. Scroll down till you find Roblox, and there it is right there. Now what you'll have to do is tap on these three dots and open advanced options. Now after you've opened advanced option, just scroll down till you see these options right here. Now what you can do is you can tap on repair and it will start repairing your Roblox. Now if your app isn't working right, your PC will try to fix it. And if that does not work, you can try to reset your program. And yeah, that should basically solve your problem. And if that does not solve your problem, you can just uninstall the app and install it back again. Now keep in mind that repairing it and resetting it will work if you just restart your computer as a whole again. And if that does not work, then only go ahead with the uninstalling idea. So yeah, that is basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.